Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel where you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. I hope you enjoy it and subscribe.
Hello everyone. I have an important conference coming up, and today we'll learn how to book a hotel room, arrange a meeting room, and handle any issues in English. I'll also show you how to book spa services and order catering for your conference, because organizing events can be stressful. I'm going to be giving a presentation on the impact of artificial intelligence on human life. I need to find a hotel with a meeting room, a spa to relax, and a catering service for the conference. Elizabeth is on a hotel booking website. Let's check this one, City View Hotel. It's in the city center, has great reviews, and offers meeting rooms, free Wi-Fi, a spa, and catering services. Perfect for work and relaxation. Let's read some reviews. The staff is friendly, the meeting rooms are well equipped, and the spa and catering are excellent. This is exactly what I need. She finds the hotel's phone number and decides to call. Elizabeth calls the hotel. The receptionist answers politely. Good afternoon, City View Hotel. How can I help you? Good afternoon. I'd like to book a single room, a meeting room, a spa session, and catering services, please. Of course. When will you be arriving? Next Monday. I'll stay for 3 nights. I also need the meeting room on Tuesday morning for my conference. Understood. Our meeting rooms come with high-speed internet, a projector, a whiteboard, and a coffee station. Would you like any additional services? Yes, please. Could you arrange bottled water and notepads for the attendees? Certainly. And for the catering, we offer coffee breaks, sandwiches, and pastries. What would you like to order? For 15 people, I would like a light lunch with sandwiches, salads, and coffee, please. That sounds perfect. Would you like to book your spa session now? Yes, please. I'd like a massage and a facial. I'm very stressed about the conference. No problem. We offer a 60-minute relaxation massage and a 30-minute facial. When would you like to schedule it? Can we schedule it for Monday evening at 7 p.m. after I arrive? That's perfect. Your total, including the room, meeting room, spa session, and catering, is $730. Thank you, Ms. Collins. Your reservation is confirmed. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you so much. Elizabeth arrives at the hotel with a small suitcase and heads to the reception. Good afternoon. My name is Elizabeth Collins. I have a reservation. Welcome, Ms. Collins. Could you show me your passport, please? Yes, here you are. Here's your key. You're in room 205. Is there anything else you need? Yes. Could I have an extra pillow, please? Of course, madam. This is perfect. The bed is large with soft pillows. There's a work desk, and the view of the city is amazing. The bathroom is clean and modern. It has luxury toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, soap, and a hairdryer. There are also soft towels. 10 minutes later, someone knocks on the door, and they deliver the extra pillow. Thank you so much. The following day, Elizabeth enters the spa, where a therapist greets her warmly. Good evening, Ms. Collins. Welcome to the spa. Are you ready for your relaxation massage? Yes, I really need it after my long trip. This is exactly what I needed. The spa is amazing, and I feel so relaxed now. Later that day, Elizabeth asks to see the meeting room, and a staff member shows her the space. This is the meeting room you reserved. It seats up to 20 people and is equipped with a projector, a whiteboard, and high-speed internet. This looks perfect. Could you confirm that the projector is working for tomorrow morning? Asks Elizabeth. Of course. We'll check everything today and have bottled water and notepads ready for your attendees. Thank you very much. This is perfect. That night, Elizabeth reviews her presentation in her room while enjoying a cup of tea. On Tuesday, Elizabeth is presenting at the conference. During the presentation, the projector stops working. It seems we have a technical issue. Let me call for help. Hello, this is Elizabeth Collins in the meeting room. The projector isn't working. Could someone assist us, please? I'm very sorry, Miss Collins. We'll send someone right away. A technician arrives quickly and fixes the issue. Thank you for your patience. Let's continue, says Elizabeth. The conference continues successfully. Useful vocabulary. Single room. I would like to book a single room for 3 nights. Does the single room have a private bathroom? Meeting room. Can we rent a meeting room for our conference? The meeting room is available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Projector. Does the meeting room come with a projector? We need a projector to show our presentation. Catering. Do you offer catering services for business events? The catering menu includes vegetarian options. Relaxation massage. I'd like to book a relaxation massage, please. The relaxation massage lasts for 60 minutes. Facial. Can I add a facial to my spa package? The facial includes cleansing and moisturizing. Light lunch. The light lunch includes a salad and a drink. I'd like to order a light lunch with bottled water. Bottled water. Can we have bottled water for the meeting? The price includes a light lunch and bottled water. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you in the next video.